had to talk to God, drop down and pray for this.
Hi guys, so I'm getting my extractions today. Yeah, this and this one and that one and the top all the way back there. So I'm not getting Anastasia, but hopefully it goes well. I'm taking out all 4 at one time. It's been about, let's see, what is today? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's been about a week and 3 days since I got my braces on. Most of the pain went away, except, so my pain started on this side. It was making like, my brackets were making like indentions in my cheeks, so they were coming really sore. And then this side went away, and then now this side is starting to do that. So that side's kind of bothering me, so I put Orja on it. So hopefully after I get my extractions, my teeth can start moving around. But I have to wait 1 week for it to heal to put my full wires on from the back to the front. So yeah, be back. I'm so no. Hey guys, Shae here. So about 2 weeks ago, little over about 2.5 weeks ago, I got braces put on. And so if you guys want to see that process and me talking about my braces, you can check out my first video. But today I'm getting my full wire put on. My wires only came out to here and here because I got extractions done. So I got one taken out here, one back here, and then 2 on the bottom. It's been about a week and 1 day since I got my extractions. So now they're about to put on my full wire. So there's no changes to my braces. All I feel right now is them being my teeth being really loose. I feel like they're really ready to move, but there's nothing there pulling them back. So once they put my full wire on, hopefully they'll put like a power chain over my gap so that it'll like pull everything back. The reason I got extractions was because I had a lot of overcrowding on the bottom and the top. My top is kind of like pulled forward like this, and so when they take out teeth and then they have room to move back, and then it won't be so tight in there, because even my back teeth, my molars, I think they're molars in the back where you chew, the teeth used to chew, they're so tight that I have like a hard time putting floss through there. Like I struggle, like I really have to push them through. So taking out these 4 teeth will help them move together, and then will give me room in my mouth where I can floss and my teeth can get straighter. So that was a process I decided to take. The extractions itself wasn't sore. They were actually really easy to pull out. I got injections in my mouth, which I'll show you guys. But other than that, they just pulled them out. It literally took like 5 minutes tops, 10 minutes maybe. The long part was waiting for the numbing. It was like after they did the injections, it was about 30 minutes to numb up. So I just like sat in the chair, waited till I got super numb. And then yeah, other than that, it wasn't painful. Like one day it hurt a little bit, but I just took my medication and it kind of just went away. And I guess the hardest part about is keeping it clean, what to eat, and then I always was like aware of food getting stuck in the hole, so they gave me a syringe, so I would just like shoot it out every single time after I eat. So that's something you want to stay on top of so it doesn't get infected. But you're supposed to get extractions before your braces get put on, but because they never had any open appointments, that's why I'm doing it after. So I had to wait about, like, after I got my extractions, I had to wait at least a week, and then now I can put on my full wires. So my appointment's in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go put on my full wires, and then I'll come back to update you guys. So I'll see you soon. Hi guys, so Shae here again. I'm back from my appointment. It literally took like 10 to 15 minutes to just throw the full wire on. It was actually really quick. So I thought they were gonna put things around my gaps to kind of try to close them up and pull everything back, but they're just gonna let the wire do the work, because two of my teeth that are sticking out, she was saying that she doesn't want to put too much pressure there because the bracket is gonna pop off. So we're just gonna let the wire try to push them back slowly. So my next appointment is in 3 weeks, which is my first adjustment. I'll update you guys then, and I'll bring you guys with me to my ortho appointment. But right now, this is how they look. I also changed my bands to white. They look so much better. See how the wire puts through here? I don't know if you can see it. And through here, all back here. So my teeth are like really loose from having my braces on already. So hopefully these move super quickly. And in 3 weeks, maybe we'll see a change, since now my wire is fully around all my teeth. I did go to Sephora, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got. They're just my go-to everyday things. These are what I use all the time. On my lashes, I use the Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this mascara. I don't know. This is probably like my 5th mascara already from them. So Better Than Sex, which is what I have on now. I use the Pore Fessional as my primer. It's my favorite primer. Before this, I used to use the Makeup Forever one, but ever since I got in my INSTGRAM bag a small mini size, and I tried it out, and it was I loved it. I never used to love it because with a lot of my foundations, it didn't really collide together. But I was using the Fenty. I started using the Fenty foundation, and the Fenty foundation and this is like gold. It's gold. So I got this, and then for some reason I love Sephora's concealers. They're my favorite. Not mainly for the under eye, but to conceal my eyebrows, and not to brighten it, just to conceal. That's what I like the Sephora, and they're super cheap. They're only like $16 here in Hawaii, comparing to my other concealers that cost like 30 bucks. But other than that, yeah, these are my go-to concealers, the Sephora brand. And then I also got my favorite lippy, my everyday lippy. It's Ashton from Anastasia, which is what I have on now. It kind of wore off because she was like all up in my mouth, but this is my everyday go-to lip color. You need to get this. It looks good on every skin tone. Ashton. So these are the 4 things I got from Sephora. Maybe I'll make a video of me using my everyday look with these products and more. But other than that, shout out to Hawaii Orthodontist in Ala for hooking me up with my braces again. I'm excited, and they're way excited to see my teeth move. So yep, I'll see you at my next appointment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Double up my cream, now that's a double step. Yeah. Please don't hit my phone if it ain't about no commas. Keep the peace like Dalai Lama, big body hummers. Backing out the parking spot and know the law be on him. He exempt, Sean Kempy, keep that 40 on him. Go, motivate, 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 get money, motivate, 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 motivate.